What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're hunting out of a good old duck blind. It's the Monday after opening weekend, and this is actually my first hunt of the year. I was filming this weekend, so was unable to hunt, but now it's game on, and we're out here at our new lease today. This is an old duck blind. It's been hunted for years and years and years. I've only hunted it one time, but we're out here today giving it a go. So just threw out some decoys, about to go throw out the motion decoys, and it's getting close to time here. So we're supposed to get a bunch of rain here in a little bit, but I'm hoping right at daybreak we might get something coming in here before this rain hits. So we gotta go to know, see what happens. Fetch it up. I don't know what that was. It looked like a mallard or a gadwall. Boy, give. Gadwall. Let's go. Yeah, I think so. That thing lit perfect in the decoys. Sit down. Good boy. Single gadwall. Yeah. Skunk's off. Come on. First bird of the year. Well, that thing came out of nowhere. I didn't even have time to turn the camera on before I shot because it was just hovering over the decoys. But here come 3 teal. Get ready here. Oh my gosh, you see them? Here they come, here they come. Let them land. Right out front, right out front. Here they come, here they come, here they come, here they come. Right behind us. Yeah. Right out front. Fetch it up! Come on, fetch it up! Fetch that bird! That bird, come on! Fetch it up! I had a mark on it right here. Find it. Good. Fetch that bird. Bring it. Come on. Give. Good boy. Got him. Man, look at this sunrise. How pretty is this, y'all? Green Wing. All right, y'all. Well, Luke kind of broke on me there, but did get a Green Wing down. Those things did it dirty right in front of me. That was sick. It's kind of hard to shoot out of this blind though. I may stand on the edge for a minute. We'll see. Sit. Fetch it up. Got 2 green wings. Bring it. Bring it. Come on, bring it. Yeah. I know he's breaking. I'm gonna tie him up. Lead it. 2 more green wing. Here.
That's a drink.
Yeah. Come here. Heel. Mark. Fetch it up. They came right in here, right in front of me. Boy, bring it. Come, bring it. Good, bring it. Give. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, Drake and a hen. All right, guys, well, we got 4 ducks down. We got 3 teal and a gadwall. So we only need 2 more for a limit. I don't even care if we get 2 more. This has been an awesome hunt so far. Fish it up. Good boy, bring it. Good boy, bring it, come. Good boy, come. Here they come, here they come. Don't move, don't move, don't move. They might have went down. Stay. I don't want to shoot 2 of them. I don't want to shoot 2 of them on accident. Pitch it up. Good boy, bring it. Bring it. Good boy, we're done. Bring it. Good boy, bring that bird. That's it. And that's the last bird of the day. Good Drake Green Wing. I wanted to let those land so I didn't shoot 2 of them on accident. They all landed right there on the spinner. He was just sitting there alone. Got him. And that is a limit of Arkansas birds right there. First hunt of the year, and we limited out on teal and a gadwall. And there is another group of birds coming right here. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go pick up the decoys and catch up with you here in a minute so we get out of here and we don't mess any of these birds up. All right, y'all, well, that was a super fun hunt. I had no clue there were gonna be that many birds in here. So that was incredible. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully we get a couple more good hunts this year. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.